is Amy Hughes. I'm a Project Lead the Way grad and a current employee here at Lockheed Martin Aeronautics as a systems engineer. I never imagined that at 14 years old in my first Project Lead the Way class that this journey of taking this one class because it looked fun would lead to this career where I get to see this every single day. I get to drive to work with F-35s landing next to me and hovering, and it's just something that never gets old. I really didn't even know what engineering was whenever I was first introduced to Project Lead the Way. Everybody in my family is in business or finance, and I had just never been exposed to it. It was really my first big introduction into the career path that I'm currently on. And without my Project Lead the Way classes, I never would have had the opportunity for an internship here at Lockheed Martin as a high school student. And that has just opened up so many doors for me in both networking and my career.
The Project Lead the Way model launches students into careers because of the way they deliver the experience in the classroom. It's transformative, it's real, it's hands-on. They understand the art of the possible, so they're prepared for a career at Lockheed Martin or with other industry partners.
I think to see that there are graduates like Amy that have walked in those steps before me, it's just made it seem much more achievable that really anyone that really put their efforts into it could achieve a career in engineering. So it's really a big inspiration to see interns like Amy.
Working here at Lockheed Martin is something that I'm very proud of, from the fact that I graduated with an engineering degree to, getting to help the war fighters. My career is probably the thing in my life that I'm the most proud of right now because I really do feel like I make a difference every day.
I had heard of Lockheed Martin graduates that had been offered jobs as they completed their 4-year internship. Honestly, it's really inspiring. It motivates you. It kind of sees you, oh, my time at Lockheed Martin is worthwhile.
My advice for Project Lead the Way students is to really work hard in your internship and in school because, when I first got this internship here at Lockheed Martin, my teacher said, Amy, this is $1 million opportunity, and I didn't really know what she meant. Now looking back on it, I completely understand what she meant. This has opened so many opportunities, full-time career. I could be here all the way until I retire, and it's kind of all thanks to the Project Lead the Way process.